The moon, silent and silver in our night sky, has captivated humanity for millennia. But beneath its cratered surface lies a hidden world waiting to be discovered, a labyrinth of ancient caves that could hold the key to our future. Imagine this: vast underground tunnels, formed billions of years ago by molten rivers of lava, now standing empty and waiting for us to enter. These are more than geological formations. They are gateways to a new era of exploration and survival. Just as our ancestors found refuge in Earth's caves, we now face a thrilling and daunting challenge: to make these lunar caverns our new home. This journey isn't just about science, it's a story of survival, ambition, and the human spirit's relentless drive to push beyond the boundaries of what's possible. The birth of the moon's hidden caves. The moon, as we observe it today, appears as a silent, crater-filled landscape suspended in space. However, its past tells a story of fiery transformation. Billions of years ago, immense volcanic activity dominated the moon's surface. Rivers of molten lava erupted and flowed relentlessly, creating a tumultuous, ever-changing environment. As these rivers cooled and solidified, the surface formed a hard crust. Beneath this crust, molten lava continued to flow, carving out vast underground channels known as lava tubes. On Earth, lava tubes can be found in places like Hawaii and Iceland. While impressive in their own right, Earth's lava tubes pale in comparison to those on the moon due to the moon's lower gravity. The result? Lunar lava tubes that are much larger, stretching across vast distances and offering a unique geological phenomenon for study. For scientists, these structures offer more than a glimpse into the moon's volcanic past. They hold the promise of unraveling the mysteries of its formation and evolution. But their potential goes far beyond scientific curiosity. They may one day become shelters for humanity's endeavors on the moon. The lunar race heats up. Interest in the moon's lava tubes has grown dramatically in recent years. At the forefront is China, which has rapidly emerged as a leading player in the global space race. Through the Chang'e lunar program, China has showcased its dedication to exploring and understanding the moon. While robotic exploration has paved the way, China's ambitions stretch further to send astronauts to the moon by 2030 with the intention of establishing a permanent lunar base. Among the top contenders for landing and settlement sites are the moon's lava tubes, valued for their natural protective capabilities. Why are these underground formations considered so critical? The answer lies in the moon's unforgiving environment. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere to shield its surface from harmful cosmic radiation or the constant bombardment of micrometeorites. Temperature extremes further complicate matters, with scorching heat during the lunar day and bone-chilling cold during the night. Surviving these conditions poses immense challenges for any long-term human presence. A shelter from the storm. The moon's lava tubes offer a promising solution. With their thick basalt walls, these natural formations provide unparalleled protection from the moon's harsh environment. Radiation, temperature extremes, and micrometeorite impacts are significantly reduced within these underground shelters. Imagine standing within a vast cavern carved out eons ago by molten lava, shielded from the dangers of space. Data from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter's radiometer experiment even indicates that temperatures inside certain caves remain stable, around 63 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius. But the potential for these lava tubes extends even further. If we were to seal and pressurize these caves, creating an Earth-like atmosphere within, they could become fully habitable spaces. This would drastically reduce the infrastructure needed for surface habitats and make lunar settlements more feasible. A stable, protected environment within the moon's interior could serve as a foundation for humanity's long-term presence on this distant body. Personal reflection. Humanity's drive to explore. Throughout human history, caves have offered protection and refuge. Our ancestors sought shelter in them to escape predators, survive harsh climates, and build their early societies. Now, as we look to the moon, our instinct to find safe havens drives us once more. This time, it's not about surviving on Earth's surface, but thriving in space. Humanity has always pushed boundaries, and the moon's lava tubes offer a new chapter in our journey of exploration. Technological marvels for lunar exploration. Exploring the moon's hidden caves presents unique challenges. Navigating their dark and complex interiors, assessing structural integrity, and ensuring safety are no small feats. Thankfully, technological advancements are paving the way for success. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has developed the Dune Axle rover, a two-part machine designed specifically for these tasks. It anchors itself at the edge of a pit, while the other half descends, capturing detailed imagery and mapping the cave's interior. Similarly, researchers at ETH Zurich have created a space hopper robot capable of navigating the moon's rugged terrain by bouncing across it. This innovative approach allows it to explore deep pits and crevices that other rovers might struggle to reach. Illustrative story: Navigating the Unknown. Consider a future mission where astronauts descend into one of these vast, unexplored lunar caves. Their steps echo in the darkness as autonomous robots venture ahead, scanning the terrain and identifying hazards. Each moment is fraught with tension. Every step could reveal new wonders or hidden dangers. Yet, driven by the spirit of discovery, they push onward, mapping and studying a world untouched for billions of years. This scene captures not only the thrill of exploration, but the determination to uncover the secrets beneath the lunar surface. The broader implications, beyond survival. While the primary appeal of lunar caves is their potential to protect astronauts, their significance goes far beyond survival. These underground spaces could form the basis of thriving lunar colonies. Envision research labs, living quarters, and manufacturing facilities safely nestled within these ancient tunnels. The need for heavy protective structures would diminish, allowing for more efficient and cost-effective development. The stable environment inside these caves offers another advantage: the potential to grow food. Traditional farming would be unfeasible on the moon's surface due to temperature extremes, but the consistent conditions within the caves could support hydroponic systems and advanced agricultural techniques. A self-sustaining lunar colony would reduce reliance on Earth for supplies, making long-term habitation practical. Exploring the unknown. Risks and rewards. Before establishing permanent bases, a thorough exploration of the caves is necessary. Are they stable enough to support human settlements? Could a moonquake cause their collapse? Space agencies worldwide are developing technologies to answer these critical questions. Mapping and studying these caves will ensure that any future settlements are built on solid ground. The promise of lunar resources. In addition to providing shelter, the moon's caves may contain valuable resources. Helium-3, a rare isotope found in lunar rock, could revolutionize nuclear fusion, offering a nearly limitless energy supply. Water ice, if present, could be used to produce oxygen and hydrogen, supporting life and fuel needs. The potential to harvest these resources could transform the moon into a launch pad for deeper space exploration. The new lunar race, geopolitical stakes, and private ventures' renewed interest in the moon isn't solely about scientific discovery. It's also driven by geopolitical and economic considerations. China's ambition to establish a permanent lunar presence underscores its desire to lead in space exploration. Meanwhile, private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin aim to reduce launch costs and build a sustainable lunar economy. The stakes are high, and the competition fierce. This new race isn't just about reaching the moon, it's about establishing a long-term presence and thriving in space. As we peer into the depths of the moon's hidden caves, we are not merely exploring lifeless rock. We are revisiting humanity's oldest instincts and envisioning our boldest dreams. The same drive that led ancient humans to seek shelter, to protect and thrive, now propels us to turn these alien caverns into sanctuaries for a new chapter in human history. The moon may become our first outpost beyond Earth, a place where we learn to live, adapt, and reach for the stars. It's a journey fraught with perils and immense challenges, but it offers the promise of a future where humanity is no longer confined to one world. We stand ready to conquer the unknown and claim our place among the stars. This is only the beginning.